Welcome to the art project. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Sorry I was late, guys. This is actually snow for Inktober. What was it, day 11, right? But I'm actually making this video a few days later. But just so you know, I did a lot of brainstorming. Maybe not a whole lot of brainstorming, but did a little bit of brainstorming. I'm doing it on this page where I drew a donut. All about using up as much space in my sketchbook as I can. Sketchbooks cost a lot of money, so I'm using the page that's got the donut on it. I set up some little squares and did it. For snow, I'm going to use this bird skull, but I'm also going to use a regular skull. And the reason for that is because the word snow can also mean to deceive. So to like snow someone over, or I don't know, it's just kind of a slang term. And so I'm using this bird skull to create a drawing of a bird mask that's in front of this skull that I've been drawing normally. So again, it's just kind of giving me an opportunity to expand. I'm using the skull every single day, which is really kind of hard to use a skull for 30 days. And so I'm struggling to come up with new stuff. But the more I do it, maybe the easier it gets, the better I get at coming up with new stuff, I hope. But anyway, it causes me to use my brain, which can be kind of frustrating sometimes. But I'm persevering and getting through it. And I'm trying to do something that most people aren't doing with Inktober. I'm trying to think outside the box. Here's a close-up of that bird skull. I found this in my yard and brought it to school, and I've had it for a while, and I'm real greedy with it. I don't let anybody touch it because I'm afraid they're going to break it. In fact, I almost broke it while I had it out. But I found it pretty interesting to draw. So I was trying to do something for snow that not everybody else was doing, and deception, using the word snow as another way of saying deception, or deception as another kind of snow, I think was fairly unique. So I don't know, maybe it's reaching, but it was fun to do, especially drawing the little bird skull. I hadn't done that in a while. I hadn't done that since I got it, I don't think. I'm interested to see what I get to do. I'm about to do 2 or 3 or 3 or 4 Inktober prompts all in one day. I took the weekend off because I forgot some of my supplies, and I just left them at home. But I'm going to catch up today. I did do some work at home. It just wasn't Inktober. And I'm going to catch up today. So stay tuned for the other prompts. I hope I can get around to them. Hope you enjoyed this one. Hope you like the way it turned out. Look for it on my Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Go watch some of the other Inktober videos that I did. I hope you can find them inspirational, motivational, and so on. And so now it is your turn to go make some art. Thanks.